In 2026, you don't need Wall Street connections or secret data to start investing. You just need a plan. Today, I'll show you exactly how to turn your first $1,000 into the foundation of long-term wealth using the same framework certified financial planners use with real clients. Before you invest a single dollar, you must pass the investor readiness checklist. Investing without a foundation isn't investing, it's gambling. Paying off high-interest debt is a guaranteed return, often 20% or more. The stock market averages 7 to 10% long-term. Debt payoff beats the market every time. If your balances are high, use the defrosting method. Step 1, pay aggressively until your utilization drops below 30%. Step 2, transfer the remaining balance to a 0% card. This boosts your credit score and stops interest from eating your future. Next, choose the right accounts. This is your tax strategy. Always grab your employer match first. It's a 50 to 100% instant return. Your money grows tax-free, and you can withdraw contributions anytime. Flexible, simple, and perfect for beginners. Just avoid platforms that don't allow fractional shares. They limit your ability to invest small amounts efficiently. Forget hype stocks. Forget day trading. Professionals know that 93% of active managers fail to beat the market. That's why we use index funds. These models balance growth, diversification, and stability, perfect for a $1,000 starting point. Fractional shares let you buy pieces of companies like Meta or Costco for as little as $1. And dollar-cost averaging removes emotion. You invest the same amount every month, buying more when prices are low and less when they're high. Meet Leela. She invested $500 a month for a year. She bought 30.6 shares at an average cost of $206. If she waited and invested all $6,000 at the peak, she'd get only 12.98 shares. Consistency beat timing by 135%. Compounding is the eighth wonder of the world. A single $1,000 investment at 10% becomes $17,500 in 30 years. Add $100 a month, and you're looking at over $200,000. To stay safe and grow wealth, embrace the boring long-term, expect volatility, tune out the noise, and watch out for fractional share transfer taxes. In the next 30 minutes, you can set your financial future in motion. You don't need luck, you need a system. Start with $1,000, stay consistent, and let time do the heavy lifting. Subscribe for more smart money guides.